Good day. My name is Roy MCP from BIK City 1G. So today I will discuss about anatomical description of movement. The human body is really static and its component parts, especially limbs, are dynamic entities and anatomical language, therefore has a special set of terms to denote direction, movements, various of the body parts. In the upper limb, flexion denotes forward movements of the whole limb or any parts of the limbs. Conversely, backward movement to the limb or any part of the limb repeat to as an extension. When the up of limb the move away from the vertical midline axis of the body, that movement is repeat to as abduction, and movement to the limb towards the midline of the body denote abduction in multi-axial joints. The rhizomat's versatility of movement, that the individual parts can be moved about several different axes, such multi-axial joints. Best exemplified by the shoulder joints. The shoulder joints is so very versatile that notes only is a capable flexion and extension or abduction and adduction, but it's also capable of so-called internal and rotation and internal rotation. Internal rotation is also known anonymously as medial rotation and external rotation as lateral rotation. Internal rotation and external rotation at shoulder joints can be demonstrated not only the arm and neutral position by the side of the body, but also with the arm and abduction. This with arm of abduction is internal rotation, and this is internal rotation. A sequential combination of all these movements, the shoulder joints is repeat to as circumduction movement. This down the length will be observed that the forearm is capable of specialized rotating movements, and inward rotation of the forearm is repeat to as pronation and returning to the forearm to be a original position constitute supination. If you should have any difficulty remembering which supination and which is pronation, simple remember the position of thumb in each of these movement. Supination is thumbs up and pronation is thumbs down. Moving for the limb at wrist joints, the movement possible are a forward movement of wrist joints, which is flexion of wrist, and back move of rest, which is an extension of rest and addition to flexion and extension. The rest joint can also be deviated laterally, which is called lateral or radial deviation or adduction. Enhance the fingers are capable of flexion, which is the forward bending of the fingers, and straightening of the fingers, which is extension. In addition to flexion and extension, it's also possible to move the fingers apart. This constitutes abduction of fingers, and adduction of the fingers always relates to the long axis of the metical bone of the middle finger. Thus, movements away from the long axis